The world around us is evolving at a much faster pace than before. To remain relevant in today's workforce, one has to engage in lifelong learning, reskilling, and upskilling. To training providers, this is a double-edged sword. The ever-increasing demand for training adds complexities to the everyday affairs of running training courses. Supported by Skills Future Singapore, ST Engineering has developed Skilleto, a powerful pay-as-you-use software-as-a-service training management system that helps you, training providers, to digitalize and simplify your workloads. Skilleto offers training providers a one-stop experience-focused training management platform that streamlines your grant claims with direct integration to SSG systems, tracks and manages your learners' training journeys at every stage from end to end. To ensure business continuity, all data is securely stored in the cloud. Training providers and learners can access Skilleto using different devices, anytime and anywhere. With new features and constant improvements, get the latest version of Skilleto without the hassle of software upgrades. Enjoy $0 upfront and maintenance fees when you sign up, and start marketing your courses on Skilleto's platform for free. Skilleto stays up to date with SSG's policies, standards, and requirements, so training providers can adapt to any changes quickly. Sign up today to enjoy $5,000 Skilleto credits if you have SSG-funded courses or SFC courses to offset transaction charges. Limited slots available.